Beautiful day to buy a camper. We're out here at Camping World in Buford, Georgia, under the great big American flag. You can't miss it. We're right off of 85, 2289 Rock Quarry Road here in Buford. Look us up online or come see us. When you get here, ask for J.R.V. Mitchell. This 2026 Forest River Campsite Reserve 26CJ weighs in at 6,421 pounds, has a length of 32 feet 9 inches, and sleeps 8. There are 2 doors, front and back. There's an outdoor cooking refrigerator area to go along with the outdoor speakers and the power awning with the built-in LEDs. As we go in the front door, we walk into the kitchen and the living room. You got storage as soon as you walk in the door here. We have storage behind the TV and the fireplace. Electric fireplace means you can save on your propane when you're parked unhooked up. Walk around bedroom. Nice little LED reading lights, overhead storage. We have bunks. 2 big old bunks with plenty of storage for things next to the bathroom, which has its own separate entry and exit. Nice refrigerator with a 3-burner gas stove and a combination air fryer microwave. Come get it before it's gone, people. We need some campers camping.